now.
All right.
You guys ready?
I'm ready.
And go.
I don't think you actually have to rush. You get 15 minutes.
Did you leave the timer, okay?
Holy fuck, that's hot. That's how they fuck you.
Did they leave the timer, take it? I think they took it.
They knew it was good.
So I really hope you do all 4 of them. Like a bomb.
I'm thinking about this shit's hot as shit. It's burning my mouth.
Oh my god. There's like half of it down already.
Oh.
I can't chew that fast.
No one grabbed napkins, I bet.
We don't need napkins.
You're chewing?
Yeah, I don't want to die from choking.
That's what the death is. It's death by choking.
Yeah, motherfucker. Shit. Give me some water up in this bitch. What's up?
So how are you gonna edit this video, Chozo?
Actually, they're 1.5 pounds. You have to
2 of
eat
them.
all of them.
Oh, there. No, that's just, I'll bring this out a little bit.
This shit's hot as
I
fuck.
haven't tasted it, and I'm glad. I'm just glad I could take those tomatoes off.
Come on, Dane. Yeah, Cole, we should put you over for 9.
I will fucking murder you.
I'm pacing myself, Chozo.
It's been like 2 minutes.
Burrito number 2.
Oh my god, he's on number 2 already.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
It's been 3 minutes.
Are you on the same page for
All, everyone.
He has to do 2 of those burritos in 15 minutes.
Dude, you're eating slow as fuck. Come on. It's only been 3 minutes. We got 15.
It's all those fucking black rice he's got these days.
Let's follow around.
No.
Get some napkins. Not crack bastard like you. I need some napkins.
How you
Quick!
doing down there?
What?
Random guy! Grab us some napkins.
Really?
Yeah, thanks, man. Just napkins is fine. I need a fork.
What? Why do you need a fork?
Can get my mouth around this meat?
Now you know that's a lie.
That's what she said.
Oh, thank you, dude.
Oh, you were awesome, guy.
Of all the people, you're one of them.
Man,
Thank you.
How long have we got?
Like 20 minutes.
This has been recording for 3 minutes.
It's only been like 5 minutes, maybe.
It's been 3 minutes.
Yeah, I'm assuming he started at 11:30. It's 11:35.
I started recording before you started, and it's been 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Okay.
That's it?
Oh my god, he's almost done. What the fuck?
Yeah. Chozo could have done a 3rd one.
Hello.
Chozo,
I expect it to be out here when I'm ready.
has it ever occurred to you that you might be a Terminator? Or some other sort of monstrosity?
It occurred to me that I might have terminal illness.
What is it, fat
In the
assery?
near
Like heart
future,
disease?
It's Attack of the Killer Tomato style. They're invading and they build a super Chozo. I'm gonna just eat them. Every last one of them. And that's like Pac-Man all over again. Chozo just starts running. Chozo bot just starts running down the middle, in the aisle, and just You're already done with the first challenge. Do the second one.
I'm the victor.
We got our winner already. It's going on. Try.
There's food in there too, you know.
Ford's gonna be a little hot.
It's gonna be a lot for me. Not as badass as we are. I already struck down 2 and I'm starting my second one, so let's go.
My turn.
Even Glitch is more farther along than you.
Wow.
What Shane's a fat ass. You can kicking his ass.
She just throws it in
His fat ass.
He doesn't even eat it.
I'm watching. I'll just go throw it in the trash.
Yeah, I finished it. Also, this table's really dirty underneath. It's just a pile of burrito meat.
Oh, there's a sour cream. I'm pissed now. Oh,
Really?
it was like right at the
That's so
beginning.
gross. That sucks, man.
That's fine.
Sour cream would ruin this thing.
Hey, but in the beginning, I haven't tasted it at all. I haven't tasted much of it.
Get mine down. Yeah, so you haven't been eating yours. You've been swallowing it. You're like, bite, swallow. You gotta finish your third one before I'm halfway done with my second.
How long has it been?
5 minutes and 40 seconds.
And she hit the camera before. She hit the camera before.
So you already did it. Shane, come on.
It was like
Maybe.
maybe like 10 seconds before he did it, maybe.
Uh-huh.
I think Glitch isn't gonna make it.
No.
Our fat assery kicked his ass.
That fourth one is not gonna. It's not gonna happen.
I'm gonna enjoy it when I see you hit your food wall.
On his fourth one?
It's already there.
I'll just
I don't know. I can feel it in my throat.
You'll know when you hit the food wall.
I'm halfway, but
It's in sight. It's in sight.
my food wall's coming.
I know I can make it. I'm just
I'm
gonna
just gonna
slow
pound it
down
out, yeah.
crazy. Yeah. We have 10 minutes left, probably.
A little less than 10 minutes.
If I did one burrito in 5 minutes, it means I can chill for 5 minutes.
Yeah. If I do 3 burritos in 6 minutes, I can.
You did. Oh, okay. Just kidding. And so you did 3 burritos in less than 6 minutes, but you're still on your third one.
Fuck it. Yeah. This is my max. I can't eat anything after this. I don't need.
So full.
Eat it, Joe. Go it.
No, don't make this any harder.
If we do it and you don't,
Oh, I'll do it.
and especially if Shane doesn't do it, I'm changing at the wall.
I would chill on the wall of shame.
I think the Shane can do it.
The fact that
Friggin' 9 minutes.
the fact that I ate
Glitch, that
one.
you put down one and you're not a fat ass, I'm pretty impressed by that.
I'm not. I have higher standards. Eat that.
You ate 6 tacos already.
I had 4!
That's a smart move. That's like burger with tacos.
Doing
pretty good.
What are we at? 7 minutes.
He's finishing number 3. He's done 3.
This guy's a beast.
Yeah, I think he was done in like 5 minutes.
Pretty much.
We got 7 minutes.
Alright.
Alright, I'm thinking.
Just like I'm done.
Oh, yeah. I'm picking up.
Look at this. You see how skinny I am? The fact that I ate one was amazing.
That's what I said.
And a burger
That's
before
why,
I came.
that's why I unbuckled.
Yes.
That's why I unbuckled and undid my pants before we started.
Chozo, you were just trying to touch balls again. Don't lie.
You know what? I'll be proud of the wall of shame. I'm 175 pounds. I
You
just
can
ate.
finish that in the amount of time that you're talking.
It was sucking my dick by the time you finish talking.
I don't have room for it. That'd be the 5th burrito, and I can't even start the 4th. I should have got different
Does that mean
flavors.
you were saving Glitch for dessert?
Should've got- Oh, this one says chicken.
Which of his jaw?
This one says chicken on it.
Chozo, go for it.
Oh shit, chicken.
starts looking at you. Run.
Chozo, it's like Christmas! Chicken! He just starts ripping it open.
Is it chicken?
I'm gonna pick up
Only one way to find out, Chozo, you gotta
Oh,
bite
it's
into it.
beef. I've been fucked.
I should have got 1 beef and 1 chicken. I can't have this much beef.
Oh, this is extra sour cream.
I'm glad you can take off one topping.
I can't do
Oh,
it.
this is a suicide burrito. This one's disgusting. Did
They were hoping you'd eat that one first. They were wrong.
Got you good, fucker.
I can look up and if I look down, my
No,
stomach
look,
turns.
really. This is the suicide burrito. They poisoned it. What is all these vegetables and shit? Where's my beef?
I swear to God, if you finish that one before me,
I'm good.
Do it.
I'm good. I'm good.
I'm there.
No food. What are we at?
Yeah, where are you?
10 minutes.
Where are you
You got 5
at?
minutes left.
Tidbits.
Chozo? Done?
10 minutes done.
Good. Now prove it.
7 minutes left. When I get mine.
I don't have the whip app. No, don't just finish the burrito. Do it.
You need to finish yours.
I will. If
What time are we at?
10 minutes.
Come on.
You got
5 minutes?
Yeah.
You can finish that in 5 minutes.
Come on, Chozo.
This one's got all sorts of shit. The other ones do not have.
Chozo. Make them have a...
No,
Make them have a new wall. Make them have a new wall, Chozo. Make them have a new wall. Right here. It's called God.
I ate 3 in 6 minutes. Get off my dick.
I can't even bite it.
I think the sour cream's getting me.
Damn, look at Shane's kicking ass. Woo! Where's that random dude? I need some water.
Random dude!
Random guy. Where'd you go?
He shows up.
I'll go.
He goes up.
He abandoned us to our fate.
I thought you might need my assistant.
Yeah, enjoy.
Oh, is that yours?
No.
Who the fuck is Guy Harvey? Like that t-shirt is so original. Hey guys, check out my new stylish duds. Guy Harvey original. Stop touching my balls.
Wow. They must have put some dick in that burrito.
Cause I'm a dick?
Yeah.
Well, I'm done.
Whoa!
Can I eat that?
You mess up.
Are you gonna eat that?
I tried.
So,
was
after
the
Del
sour
Taco
cream.
runs for like next 2 weeks.
My heart's stopping. But I'm not.
Chozo has eaten a challenge and a half. No, a challenge in for the 3/4.
He's about to do 2.
What? Are you quitting? Shane is done.
No.
Come on, Joe.
Joe, somebody puke.
How much time do we have left?
You got 2 minutes.
Oh, mother.
Probably less than 2 minutes.
Alright.
Valued effort. You have breakfast for the mornings over there. I have breakfast too.
Breakfast. Fuck this thing.
Who have breakfast?
Who wants a free burrito?
You're gonna look at it tomorrow. You're gonna be like,
Yeah.
no.
It's
Sour
mocking me.
cream.
Oh, gag reflex? That sucks.
My better judgment just said no. No, Glitch, no.
I think I was getting the...
No talking.
Chozo has to concentrate. He has to focus his zen.
You can do it, Joe. I got faith in me. Damn it, you.
Fucking sour cream.
You got like a minute left.
This is me all God.
Wow.
Joe.
I think you
I had that.
you did all right.
I had that shit.
Wait, I got it.
I had like 3 bites left,
Huh?
but I just couldn't put
I think you
it
just called out the order.
Like I felt it. Like I took that last bite and I was like, oh god, that sour cream.
There's extra vegetables in this one.
I know.
My weakness.
Chozo, mine was like that too. It's like I had like lettuce and everything in there. It's like
Lettuce, meat at the bottom.
Oh.
I'm getting that food wrong now.
Yeah. At least you didn't have to deal with the sour cream.
There's no time for talking. You gotta eat.
Yeah, Joe.
Yeah, time's like almost up.
What time is it?
Well, I'm at 14:40.
So you're probably about.
And you started like 30 seconds before everyone.
You probably have like a little less than a minute. Yeah.
I can't believe you fucking crazy.
I don't know if I have that.
I can't
At least
believe
I
you
fought
did
it
that.
out. Like Shane.
Well, no, Shane ate a lot.
Oh, I pushed out. I'm not in the front.
Yeah.
I pushed all the way out.
You got fucked.
It's alright.
But if Shane had a burrito like this one, he got fucked.
All
It was
both of
hard
mine
to
were
eat.
like that.
My first two were like that. You did it?
You win because you didn't have the sour cream.
Chozo was ridiculous.
Can I finish it when we're done?
You almost did.
Can I finish my fourth one?
Are there any children here right now?
No, just
My
Chozo.
mouth is a little bigger.
Just the children inside Chozo that are eating all the food for him.
Wait a minute, these ones don't count. This is the third.
But still. I hate you, Chozo.
We're gonna inherit the house.
I hate you so much.
Which, you want to move into Chozo's room? I don't think he's gonna survive.
This one is PS3.
No, we keep it. That's part of the house. Every bit of the house, you get to keep it.
I'm down.
Are you done?
He's almost done with
Can I have water? Please?
You have water in front of you.
I know, but they said hands up.
I don't believe it.
I don't think they're actually watching.
This is recorded.
Your hands are down.
He wants to eat the rest of his soon, so.
It's gone. I ate that shit. Bitch. That water's too close to my teeth, but I need water. So glad I did my pants before this. I wouldn't have been able to do it.
Chozo, you're gonna get kicked out. You're not even gonna win. You're gonna get kicked out.
Wait, what?
I'm wearing a full pair of shorts under this.
I hate you so much, Chozo.
General Gargle days. Man versus machine. Me versus a wood chipper. Man versus food. What?
I don't want to go on the wall.
I think I.
I'm down with the wall of shame.
We'll all post nicely for it.
I don't want to. I could have done that shit.
What? On a shirt. He's all watching us judiciously on the
There's like some weird
cameras.
There's like some weird Taco Big Brother watching us right now.
Oh, we can still get burgers.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, burger. Oh,
He's
no.
crazy. He's gone mad, Joe.
Get out of here.
He's got burrito mad.
So,
Fuck everything.
2 out of 5.
Hey, fuck sour cream.
That was awesome. You Ralphed everywhere. That was the
I have
best.
it on camera.
Oh, that's sweet. Yes.
She's like,
That just proves how bad this was.
I saw you, I'm like, wow, this is
We did it. We are men.
I'm pretty sure I caught it on
balls
camera
now.
because I turned away, but I don't know if my hand did.
Everybody won but you? No.
No. It was just
These
them
two.
two.
These two won.
Oh, you ain't even ready for the real news.
No,
Fight
the real
four.
Can he win for somebody else? Like, she was just standing there recording. Could she win for his...
He ate my two for me.
So it was all you 6 tried it?
I didn't do it.
So it was just all you 5 and you 2 won?
Does it count if after eating it, I vomited?
The biggest one you have. What is the biggest one you have?
Those 2 X's?
What the fuck? It's a burrito eating challenge.
Chozo! You can wear the hat.
What the hell is that?
You can wear the
I vomited because of sour
I ate
cream
4
after eating them.
burritos. I should get an X for each burrito I ate.
4?
Because I couldn't get the sour cream in
I
it. I
have
had to get
water
rid of
now.
tomatoes. I can't stand it anymore.
Yeah.
Alright, for you? Shirt size?
What?
Damn it.
Double that.
I hate this.
What if you do this
Fucking
again?
sour cream.
Well, build up your resistance to that.
I probably do need
No! It's impossible. It's disgusting.
Nobody can hit. Nobody can hit
Biggest
targets
troll.
like that. That's not true. I used
I'm
to hit
175 pounds. I eat one burrito.
And I had a footlong sandwich today with chips
bigger skin?
and a large drink. And I watched the Church of Fudge.
Would anybody like a 3-pound burrito? I mean, a half-pound?
No.
1.5.
1.5.
I'm not taking this home. I don't want to see this
He's
thing.
never eating burritos ever again.
Give it a Chozo. Eat it tomorrow.
Give it to Colton. He's got room.
No, it has tomatoes, so he's not going to eat it.
And some.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Bring me the tacos.
I don't even want to see this thing.
It's your baby. Take it home.
I don't want to see sour cream ever again. Or tomatoes.
I don't want to see burritos for a good long while.
Oh, man. If I don't get something special, I'm going to be
I'm
pissed.
sad. Alright,
Why are you sad?
so I won that challenge.
You had
Fuck
that
sour
shit.
cream.
You had that shit all over your plate.
Just do it
Come back and
again.
do it again.
I can't. I'll do the same thing.
Try with tomatoes this time.
No. We have to have a
No, I think
montage
tomatoes
for
for him is worse than sour cream.
you getting over.
I'm gonna start sneaking sour cream into your food until you get used to it.
Slowly poison him with sour cream.
We're like dying in a couple weeks, guys.
I should have played that.
Giles theme?
We were eating.
Is that Giles theme?
Yes.
I can't hear anything. I think I'm dead.
He's full of meat.
Guys, why am I blind? Why did it get all
When
dark
did the
in here?
other 4 of you show up?
Why did they get dark in here?
It's becoming hard to breathe.
Hey, I just realized. You can't have diabetes without die.
That'd be a real dick move to die, right?
Oh yeah, he's about to hand me my. He's about to take my picture. Be a real dick move to die right now.
Remember the episode of The Simpsons when Homer went to that meat eating place? In a restaurant with meat and we challenged a dude named Red.
What's that you say? Free food for a year? Free.
He'll easily use it.
I'm gonna get you guys canceled with business.
Yeah. You gotta play bigger.
No, really. Are you gonna eat that throw?
Shane threw it away. I could eat it.
You know the weird part is it looked just the same and it's gone.
There's another burrito. Why would you suggest that? You won't. No.
Go for it.
No.
Oh, wait, Chozo.
He told me hands up.
Get it here.
Shane will eat it.
Are you gonna eat it?
No.
Not right now. Save it till later.
Oh, we get plates.
All right. Oh, the
It's a frisbee, you idiot.
I didn't know we got frisbees.
All right, who's ready for the picture?
We get a plate that doubles upside down as a frisbee.
Read this, Joe.
What?
Let's start off over here.
And we got a free menu item.
Yeah, I think it's a double Del Burger.
Whoa. Are we doing
We'll
this
get
yet?
2 free ones.
Oh, they gotta be by herself? Oh, I get it. I want to black that shit. Get over here.
Ah, the shirt.
What's it say?
You guys just all three want to be in the wall of
I love tacos. We didn't have tacos. We had burritos.
Fuck you.
I don't want to associate with them too.
Hey, get in the picture.
Get in the
fuck.
picture. You lost, man. You lost horribly.
Throw up on Shane.
There we go.
I get my picture twice.
Camera.
What? One with your pants down, one with them up.
They're not going up.
You can use the pantsless one for the one with mine and you. Because I'll take mine up too.
Oh, that was.
Get your ass down.
Victory cheering.
Alright, 1, 2, and...
Hey, wait a minute.
Wait. Oh, isn't that adorable? Look at you trying to ear probe me with your tongue.
Yeah, what would make you think that,
mine.
We get a special place on the wall because I ate twice as much. I had to.
That was it. That was
Suck it, Trebek.
That was it. Good. Any final words? Laughter? Silence? A moment of silence for our dear party.
Fuck Chozo.
Our dear...
He's gonna die by the end of the night. He's not waking up in the morning.
I'm going up for my
That's
free
because I'm
burger.
gonna smother him.
Hey,
They gave me a coupon for free food.
tomorrow morning, let's just go to Chozo's to go swimming, and he'll just be laying there on the side.
Joe, a frisbee
Like a
said get
dead-
exercise.
Like
everyone know, I lost
Is
the
it?
fucking sour cream.
Wait, is it? Are these pink?
Yes.
That just made this 10 times better.
Cheers.
Wait, are we not supposed to touch them?
Yeah, we
What
are.
are twin powers activate?
No, Chozo, the last time is you don't touch balls.
Oh, my bad.
175 pounds.
Wait, they're gonna
half
print
burrito
these pictures?
in under 5
We
minutes.
should get special shit.
I can give a damn about that.
Direct fucking.
I don't want to see that anymore. I don't want to sleep tonight.
Yeah,
I want to see the taco burritos in my dreams.
You know what this teaches me? Taco Bell lies when they say they have a pound burrito. Because these things, I think this is really a pound.
Those are £1.50.
That's
It's a pound and a half.
Taco Bell lies.
This guy, unfucking believable.
Wait, that means I ate 6 pounds of burritos.
Chozo, a percentage.
That face was
Chozo, a
I
percentage of
pointed it
your
out when we
weight.
started, when you're like, can I just get 2 more
Chozo, a
burritos
percentage
on
of your
top
weight,
the challenge?
more than 1% of your weight right now, is made up of burritos.
You don't know how much my weight is.
Chozo,
You know how much is taco?
way much
Chozo.
to weight.
Yes, we do.
You weigh more than 600 pounds.
Probably now.
If you don't, then you ate more than 1% of your body weight.
Oh, I have to be way past 360 at this point.
Yeah, that's only 3.6 pounds.
Damn percentages and fractions and stuff.
I had a 6-pack. You ate I never had
You
one
weigh
again.
almost
with
double
these
your
fuckers.
weight. Double 2% of your weight in burrito. Hi. Why are you still filming me?
I don't know. Can I stop this now?
Anytime you want to stop it.